YouTube, what it do? It's your boy Srt Rob coming here with a quick, short little video. I want to talk about a small little topic, man. That's kind of common with the Brembo brakes. These damn brakes kick up so much damn brake dust. I just cleaned these damn rims off. I want to say yesterday. I mean, goddamn, I didn't even go. I haven't even driven probably no more than 25 miles, less than 25 miles since yesterday. I want to say maybe 10, 15 miles, and I mean, let's just get a good look at the fucking amount of brake dust that's kicked off into this shit. Look at this shit. Do you see this? Get a look at that. That is just insane. It ain't even been 24 hours yet. And all that damn brake dust speared off into the damn wheels that quick. That is just insanity, man. That's just pure fucking insanity. This shit don't make sense. Let's get a good look at this shit. Oh, man. Look at the difference. Do you see how much? Look at that shit. Oh, that's crazy. Oh, that is insane, man. So, with that being said, I mean, it's just a lot of fucking work. It's a lot of work having these damn Srt8 cars, and you know, with the big ass Brembos and all that shit, man. These things kick a lot of damn dust. I mean, it is damn ridiculous, man. It take a lot of energy. Shit, I'm a regular working person, so you know, I work anywhere from 10 to 12 hours a day. So to come off work and have to clean this goddamn car every day, it is just pure insanity, man. That's a lot of work. So just one thing I'm having a rant about, man, because I done heard a lot of people complain about it, but you won't know until you actually get one of these Srt8s or the SRTs with the Brembos. I mean, these motherfuckers kick a lot of dust. They kick a lot of dust. It is insane. So, looking to get this car, be prepared to do a lot of wheel cleaning. A whole lot of wheel cleaning, because I mean, it's just crazy. It is just crazy. They some good ass brakes, don't get me wrong. They will stop real quick. I mean, shit, I was doing about 80 in a damn 35 lane, trying to hurry up and get to work in the morning, you know. Seen the cops, and I stumped on them damn brakes. I went from 80 to 35 and just in a matter of 2 seconds, it seemed like. That's before he even got a chance to clock my shit. I was already down to the speed limit, well, below the speed limit. The speed limit was 35. I dropped down to 30, 80 to 30 in a matter of 2 to 3 seconds. I mean, it was crazy. It was quick. So, you know, they do the job, but it's the price to pay with cleaning that shit. You know, you gotta be prepared to clean, man. Keep you a bucket in the trunk, because I mean, throughout frequent stops and shit, you're trying to keep your car clean, you will be doing a lot of cleaning. So that's it. I just wanted to come in with that and share my thoughts on that. Go ahead and like this video if you found it to be informative, and subscribe if you ain't subscribed to the channel yet. All right, peace. Y'all have a blessed day.